Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, is set to meet with Donald Trump to discuss potential roles in the new administration. This comes as Trump, following his election victory, announces his staff picks. Armstrong, who has shown support for some of Trump's initiatives, is open to collaborating with either a Trump or Kamala Harris administration. Notably, Trump plans to establish a Bitcoin and Crypto Presidential Advisory Council to guide regulatory measures in the crypto industry. Armstrong's political involvement has grown, especially after facing regulatory challenges from the SEC, as he actively supports pro-crypto lawmakers. The markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulation is poised to reshape the European crypto landscape, driving mergers and acquisitions as firms strive for compliance. Companies that meet MiCA's standards will gain a competitive edge, attracting partners and investors. The regulation requires firms to notify national authorities of any acquisitions, ensuring thorough regulatory reviews. MiCA compliance is crucial for success, with non-compliance posing significant risks. This regulatory shift will favor firms that adapt, setting new standards for trust and growth in the crypto sector. RISC Zero and Fabric Crypto are enhancing the Boundless protocol with a custom-designed verifiable processing unit, VPU, to optimize cryptographic operations. This innovation brings real-time zero-knowledge capabilities to Boundless, allowing developers to scale applications across blockchain networks. RISC Zero also launched Steel 1.0, a smart contract prover that reduces costs and bypasses gas limits, and zkVM 1.0, offering scalable zero-knowledge proofs. These advancements mark a paradigm shift in blockchain scalability, enabling more complex and efficient applications. Pendle Finance has introduced Boros, a platform enhancing yield trading efficiency. Boros allows traders to manage exposure to various yield sources, addressing the challenge of trading funding rates. The platform uses existing Pendle and vPendle tokens, with a pro-rata airdrop planned for loyal holders. Boros offers strategies for risk management, reshaping the landscape of DeFi and TradFi markets. Lido co-founders are developing Y, a blockchain identity platform to compete with Sam Altman's World Network. Unlike World Network, which uses biometric data, Y will verify users through online activity and social interactions, addressing privacy concerns. Y aims to create a crypto super app for managing digital identities, leveraging Ethereum's attestation service. This competition highlights the importance of secure identity verification in the digital age. Senator Cynthia Lummis proposes converting part of the U.S. Treasury's gold reserves into Bitcoin to create a strategic reserve. This move aims to establish a Bitcoin reserve without affecting the government's balance sheet. Lummis's proposal reflects a trend of governments considering Bitcoin as a strategic asset amidst economic challenges. However, skepticism remains about its implementation under President-elect Trump. President-elect Donald Trump has nominated Howard Lutnick, CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald, to lead the Commerce Department. Lutnick will oversee the administration's trade agenda, including the Office of the United States Trade Representative. His nomination follows speculation about other cabinet positions, with Elon Musk publicly supporting him for the Treasury role. Cointelegraph's threads provide insights into the crypto market, discussing one-chain versus trading volume, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin acquisition strategy, and the legitimacy of the Pi network. The mystery of Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto is also explored, with HBO speculating on Len Sassaman as a candidate. Vitalik Buterin emphasizes the importance of solo stakers for Ethereum's decentralization, while the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple continues to impact the market. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology informative. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed and keep exploring the crypto universe.